All right, I'm Joseph. I'm the sales and marketing manager at Ames Waterproof Coatings. I'll show you a little bit of our products here today. Blue Max is probably our most well-known and popular product throughout the years. It's a multi-purpose waterproof coating. It was originally designed for basements, interior basement walls, and exterior below-grade foundation walls. A lot of testing over the years, we found that it's suitable for various different applications, whether it's for roofs or decks or patios as a base coat, or for bathroom, shower, tile, and floor insulation. Has all the same plumbing code certifications and the IATMO certification as all the other bathroom, shower, tile, and floor waterproof coating membranes. This is actually put together with just Blue Max products. There's no glue, mortar, or adhesive. This is between each block, so it uses it as a waterproofing and adhesive, so it shows the adhesive strength and waterproofing of the Blue Max products. I actually coated that cardboard box right there yesterday and put 2 coats on there, waited for it to dry, second coat, just to show that it really can waterproof almost any substrate, right? It's very, very adhesive product and great waterproofing. This is actually here once it dries. It's got a 1200% elongation rating. So it's going to expand and contract with any amount of structural movement to resist cracking and peeling over time, whereas other maybe cementitious products might pop. This will move with that substrate. And if it's moving 1200%, you got bigger problems, right? So
what is the lifespan?
It's got a 20-year warranty. 20-year warranty when applied at 30 mils. This is 30 mils right here. We did this in about 2 coats. If you spray it, you can get it on there a lot thicker. So it's a great product. But I'll move over to our safety deck, which is another one of our very, very popular products. It's our fastest growing over the last 3 years. I think it's our top 3 bestseller. It's a granulated, skid and slip resistant finish. So designed for high traffic areas, high foot traffic areas. Comes in a variety of color options. Adheres great to concrete, masonry, dimensional lumber decks, plywood, roof decks, anything in that nature. Very common with the DIY homeowner and also with apartment complexes and hotel chains throughout the country. Very, very popular. And I'll go one more for you. I know we've got a lot going on here, but this is our Maximum Stretch roof coating. And it's a elastomeric rubber blend. So it's not your standard acrylic, so it has a great deal of elongation as well. It comes in a variety of color options. Rather than replacing your commercial roof or your metal roof and spending upwards of $500,000, we provide a very cost-effective alternative for roof restoration. Add another 15, 20 years to the lifespan of that roof. Cut down on those repair and replacement costs. But overall, Ames Waterproof Coatings, we got a product for just about everything. Right? Any restoration project or home improvement project, we got something for you.